Hello student, today again we are going to see this milk composition and last lecture we have seen this milk composition, properties of milk and the introduction of milk. Now it is the types of milk. Actually basically we know this, again I will remind this definition of milk is milk is defined as an opaque white fluid rich in fat and protein secreted by the female mammary glands or mammals for the nourishment of their young ones is known as the milk. And there are the many types of the milk as you study it. So the different types of milk is, the first one is the pasteurized milk. In this process the harmful bacteria are killed by heating the milk at a very high temperature, around 60-70 degrees centigrade temperature. Maybe in the dairy the temperature is increased in about 500-600 like that, but not a 50 or 60 degrees centigrade temperature is a rich temperature to kill the harmful bacteria. Now the types of milk is, first one is the homogenized milk, whole milk, skimmed milk, toned milk, double toned milk, buffalo milk and cow milk. So this is the type of the milk. Basically the four types of the milk is, when you shop in the dairy case, the primary types of milk available are whole milk 3.25% milk fat, and it reduced the milk fat about 2%. Then low fat milk is 1% and fat free milk, also known as the skim milk. So if you are going to see this, there are many type of the milk is available. Now you can see the special types of milk is, under the category of special milk are included those processed milk, the products which physically resemble and behave like liquid milk, and these processed milk products are standardized milk, homogenized milk, sterilized milk and flavored milk, stoned milk and double toned milk. So what is standardized milk? Already we have discussed the standardized milk. The standardized milk defined as the adjustment of one or more of the milk constituents to meet the legal requirements or nominated level. In market milk industry normally involve reducing the butter fat content by addition of skim milk through the removal of the screen. Then homogenized milk, you know very well this homogenized milk. This homogenized milk is a process that gives milk its rich white color and smooth texture, is known as the homogenized milk. Then the sterilized milk, the sterilized milk is also they are important for their milk has been packed in airtight containers and subjected to temperature in excess of 100 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay. Then flavor milk, the flavor milk is also important. The flavor milk is nothing but the packaged in the sweetened dairy milk made with the milk, sugar flavoring and the sometimes food coloring, that is the flavored milk. Then toned milk, there are many type of the toned milk also is there. This toned milk is nothing but it is a healthy for the toned milk, and the dairy product made by adding the skim milk to full cream buffalo milk to reduce its fat content, maintain its nutritional value. And the toned milk is a great source of protein, vitamins and minerals, and the double toned milk is also important for their double toned milk. So what is double toned milk? Double toned milk is it is made by mixing whole milk with skim milk or skim milk powder, and the whole buffalo milk is combined with skim milk to get double toned milk, and the milk is low in fat and calories and ideal for people trying to lose weight. Double toned milk has around 1.5% fat. So this is the special types of the milk. So you can see the one by one important of this standardized milk. The standard milk is milk in which the original fat and also the ratio of fat to the milk solid content, and this type of the standardized milk, the removal of milk fat or the addition of skim milk or the addition of cream. According to PFA rules 1976, the standardized milk should contain minimum fat is 4.5% and minimum solid not fat 8.5% is required for their standard. In the homogenized milk, the homogenized milk is milk which has been treated in such a manner as to ensure breakup of the fat globules to such an extent that after 48 hours quiescent storage, no visible cream separation occurs on the milk. Homogenization refers to the process of forcing the milk through a homogenizer with the object of subdividing the fat globules. In efficiently homogenized milk, the fat globules are subdivided to microns or less in diameter. The flow sheet for homogenized milk manufacturing: it receiving the milk, cooling to 5 degrees centigrade, and bulk storage, then preheating 35 to 40 degrees centigrade, filtration, that is clarification, cooling to 5 degrees centigrade, standardizing and storage 5 degrees centigrade, then preheating is required for the 60 degree centigrade temperature. So the advantages of these types of milk is no formation of cream layer is required at the time of heating. Fat in milk does not churn due to excessive agitation, produces soft curd and is better digested, hence recommended for infant feeding, better adapted for bulk dispensing, mixing not necessary. Disadvantages is increased cost of production, difficult to recovery of fat, sediment appears to a greater degree. Then again disadvantages is the sterilized milk is, you can see it is defined as the milk is heated for the temperature of about 100 degrees centigrade and above for such lengths of time that it remains fit for the human consumption, and the above definition does not always mean that treated with milk must be completely free of bacterial spores. So the requirement of this milk is keep without deterioration, remains keep without deteriorations, remain stable and be of good commercial value for a sufficient period to satisfy commercial requirements. डिटोरिएशन म्हणजे काय तर एखादी वर्स्ट कंडिशनला असलेली जी प्रोग्रेस आहे, एखादी प्रोसेस आहे त्याला आपण डिटोरिएशन म्हणतो. and be free of microorganism harmful to consumer the health. Advantages is remarkable keeping quality, does not need refrigerated storage, no cream layer form, it forms a soft digestible curd, and hence useful of feeding of the infants and the economical to use. Disadvantages is increased cost of production, more loss of nutritive value that pasteurization, about 33 degrees centigrade or 33% vitamin B and 50% of vitamin C, and there is slight reduction the biological value of the milk protein. Gerber just by normal procedure not accurate. These homogenized or homogenization that is it required the clarification. The homogenization is 2500 psi, that is 60 degrees centigrade. Psi means pounds per square inch, that is 60 degrees centigrade. The clarification is required 60 degrees centigrade. Filling and capping in clean and sterilized bottles. Sterilization 110 degree to 120 degrees centigrade, 25 to 30 minutes. Cooling it requires at room temperature. Storage at room temperature, so that this type of the milks they are offered and required for their important of the types of milk. See this important of types of milk is when you see this type of the milk which are important for the most popular milk is the same scheme is by for the most popular variety according for 63 degree for all the milk sales. तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस एखादं मिल्क घेता डेअरीमधलं असेल किंवा कुठले असेल तर त्या मिल्कला पहिल्यांदा पाश्चरायझेशन करणं आवश्यक आहे. पाश्चरायझेशन आपण घरी सहज करू शकतो. त्याला 60-70 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचरला बॉईल करायचं. ॲटोमॅटिकली त्याच्यामधून जे पॅथोजन्स आहे ज्या पॅथोजन्समुळे आपल्याला इंजुरी होऊ शकते आपल्या शरीराला किंवा स्टमकला, तर ते सहज आपण रिमूव्ह करू शकतो. त्यानंतर होमोजेनायझेशन, स्टँडर्डायझेशन, फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क, टोन्ड मिल्क हे त्याच्यामधले महत्त्वाचे भाग आहे.